History was made on Duke Street as Andrew Holness was sworn in once again as Prime Minister. But while the spotlight shone on the ceremony, the moment that grabbed Jamaica's attention was not just the oath of office. It was the Holness family. Walking slowly, cane in hand, Andrew Holness's father made his way to the event, an image of age, wisdom, and the weight of time. At his side, Holness's brother stood tall, guiding him with quiet strength. Together, they embodied the legacy of family tradition and sacrifice. For many watching, it was a reminder that leadership is never just about one man. It is about the roots from which he comes. But as Andrew Holness basks in his fourth term, another question echoes across the nation. How does his father really feel, seeing his son accused of deceiving the Jamaican people? Is there pride or is there pain? Is he celebrating a legacy of leadership or quietly struggling with the cost of power, the allegations of corruption, and the cries of betrayal from a divided nation? The Holness family may stand united in public, but beneath the surface, Jamaica is asking, what is the true price of power? And can any father's pride survive when his son is accused of deceiving the very people he swore to serve? This is the political drama they don't want you to talk about. So if you want more political stories, the raw truth, and no sugarcoating, like, share, and subscribe. More fire is coming, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's next.